Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, why would you hide or collapse sub accounts on a report? So doing so temporarily hides details which enables you to focus on values in the parents account. Sub accounts cannot be hidden as they will be lost once the reports is collapsed. If you want to email the report, then sub accounts need to be collapsed. Reports can be sent to Excel only in the collapsed format. The correct answer of the question is, doing so temporarily hides the details which enables you to focus on values in the parent's account. So that's the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.